How to turn on or off time zone override in calendar on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to calendar. In calendar, okay, you can see here the time zone override. And the time zone override is off. To turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see here the time zone override, and on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. To enable or turn on the time zone override, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this enable, you can now set the time zone. And the time zone is set into Manila. So you can tap this to change or search for time zone. So for my example, I search the Ottawa, Canada. So okay, we have successfully set the time zone. So okay, the time zone override always show event, dates, and time in the selected time zone. When off, even when display according to the time zone of your current location. So okay, we have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on or off time zone override in calendar on iPhone X.